Welcome back to my channel. I am super excited because today I'm doing a review of the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. I have heard nothing but phenomenal things about this foundation. Now, I spent $93 Canadian. Oh my God. That's how much it cost me at Sephora. I'm not sure. I did look on Amazon. I could not find it on Amazon through Prime. But that's through .ca. You guys might find it on the US site. But do I think it's worth the $93 I spent on it? Keep watching and we'll see. Okay, so I'm going to start with primer. I'm using the Lise Watier Base Illuminatrice Luminous Fresh Cream Gel. 2 pumps. Okay, let's open the box. I am using the 1.5. I have a hair in my mouth. The shade that I'm using is 1.5. Now this is Luminous Silk Perfect Glow Flawless Foundation by Giorgio Armani. Now this was $93 Canadian. This is the most I've ever spent on a foundation. So it better be good. That's all I gotta say. Absolutely love the bottle. Oh, okay. So today I'm going to use a wet sponge, or a damp sponge, I should say. I have my beauty blender here already dampened. I'm going to put 1 pump, if it'll come out. It's actually pretty runny, so I don't know how well the sponge will work with this. Definitely think I'm going to need more than 1 pump though. Radiant, right? It doesn't look greasy or oily. I am using a lot of it though. Normally, my favorite foundation lately has been the Fenty Beauty. And I only need to use 1 pump. So far, I've used 2 pumps of this, but I am absolutely loving how it looks and feels on the skin. I don't know if I can get away with just this last little bit on my forehead. Now, I know I probably should be using a brush to apply this because it is very thin, but I don't know. Something told me use a damp sponge. Oh my goodness. I am in love with this foundation. Oh my goodness. I'm actually going to use 1 more pump just because I want to bring it down the neck and onto my chest. Wow. Look at the glow, you guys. Oh my goodness. This might be my new favorite foundation, which is so bad because it's so expensive. But that's gotta be why. I mean, wow. I do feel like I should lock this down with some powder. I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty Pound Cake. This is the first time I'm using this as well, so hopefully. Okay, so I'm assuming I just tip it. No, that didn't work. Oh, okay. I made a mess. Okay. Oh, okay, so I think this is a baking powder. A baking powder. Put a little bit on the forehead and the nose. Oh, look at my top. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna go clean up. So sorry for the interruption. I wanted to stop in and tell you how happy I am that you found my channel. Here is where you will find beauty product reviews, shopping hauls and unboxing, and some get ready with me videos. I am not a makeup artist, nor have I ever received any training, but I am always learning about new beauty products and new makeup application techniques, and I absolutely love to share them with my audience. So I will ask that if you are finding value in my videos, please show your support by hitting that like button and most importantly, subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for visiting me. Back to the video. Okay, I think I got most of it off of my top. Crazy. Where is my big brush? Anyways, so I'm just going to use this to kind of pat down that powder. Okay, so I'm going to go and finish the rest of my makeup, and I will see you at the end so you can see the final result of this foundation. I think it's going to be phenomenal. I am so excited. I am down with this foundation. I absolutely love it. The coverage is great. It feels very light on the skin. I mean, seriously, what more could you ask for in a foundation? I would love to hear your guys' thoughts. Have you tried this foundation yet? Let me know down in the comments below if it is one of your favorites. I would also love to know what are your favorite luminous foundations. In my opinion, with dry aging skin, for myself, I prefer more of a radiant, luminous, glowy foundation that just kind of helps hide those fine lines. And this foundation certainly checks off all of those. So this will be my new favorite foundation. I will see you in the next one.